Mga guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and it's rainy day. And syempre, off day namin, we're going to Jalan-Jalan. Jalan-Jalan means pasyal-pasyal. Ayan, it's rainy day guys. Actually, mula kagabi, ulan na ng ulan.